Hello, Team 10. Can you first tell me your name, please?
Oh, I'm Ahoura.
Aura. And
I'm Henri.
hello, Henry.
Alex.
Hello, Alex. So you guys are the members of Team 10. Can I ask you, what is your team name for the project and why did you choose it?
Our team name is called Team Platers.
Team Plater.
And yeah, that's right. And it's just like a reference to plate because the name of our application is called My Plate.
Ah, okay.
Yeah.
It's like a food thing.
So your the name of your application is called My Plate. I'm just curious, so why did you choose this name?
Because our app is all about like meal planning and like finding food to eat, eating My Plate.
Can you tell us more about your app, what it does?
So our app essentially has a kind of list of a bunch of recipes and all their nutritional info, and it allows you to enter in stats about your body, like your weight, height, age, things like that allows to determine how much nutrients you should be consuming. And then it allows you to create meals and then schedule them in a calendar or reference them at any time. And you can view a bunch of stats about them, like how much they cost, how much time it takes, fat, protein, carb, calorie. And also it allows you to filter by dietary restrictions. So for example, say you're vegan, or like say you're celiac or something like that, it allows you to limit it down.
So if a person, so how have you personally feel like the app has can help you improve your life or change the way you live?
I guess it's kind of a convenience factor. Like instead of having to spend time looking up recipes or like creating a meal plan, you can find what's best for you instantly, and it's kind of like
A calorie calculator, so it will tell you your basic metabolic rate and how much you calculate based on, or how much you consume based on how much activity you're doing. And I think that helps even if you're not doing the meal prep, you can still count how many calories you should be consuming if you want to lose, gain weight, whatever.
That sounds amazing. Thank you, Alex and Henry, for the answer. I look forward to on the championship demo day. What are some of the good memories that you have about this season's Game of Apps?
So I can answer that. So first, when we were trying to like just generate the idea, we spent 2 meetings on it to just like get an idea of what our application is gonna be, and that was like really fun to see what's like other people's idea and just see like what we were really thinking. Although we were like kind of like 2 meetings is a lot to spend to think about the idea of our app, but it was like pretty fun to search up like different stuff on the internet, see like how it's going to connect to the team, or like what or like get the opinions from mentors and all those kind of stuff.
So a lot of getting different people's opinion, get them together and see how they work together. That's something you guys found really exciting about this year's Game of Apps. It's great to hear.
Yeah.
So as an audience, can you tell me why I should vote for your team? Convince me.
Okay. Well, so one of the things
our team worked really hard on our app, and that
go ahead.
I think we're in behind a lot.
Yeah.
Oh, can you guys see us?
But your voice is a bit choppy, but yes, we can see.
Yeah.
Sorry. I think our app is designed very intuitively, and it works like almost, in fact, I think all the parts that we originally intended are implemented. And I think our app really solves an important problem and makes a change in people's lives. And it helps people make a change in their lives to have better dietary habits. And like it enables them to have easier times setting goals for themselves, and it just makes their life easier when they're eating. And yeah,
making your life easier, that sounds like
I think that's
is there anything you want to tell us or the audience before the championships?
I guess just voted for us. Yeah. Like right now, like the fact that Alex Henry were able to join the meeting is like I really appreciate them because they're like really far away. But like the fact that we can be here and do this, although their voice is dropping, is but still I would just thank them, and yeah, that's I guess just voted for us.
All right. Thank you.
Yeah.
We look forward to your final presentation on Championship Day.
Thanks.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.